It's very colourful, isn't it? All the birds here are
So I would
blue.
have been able to identify, isn't it?
They're
rosellas?
You get the blue budgies right.
They look like rosellas.
Toby,
fantastic, thanks.
What are you doing up, bird? What are you doing, birdie?
Lucas, be gentle with the fence, please. That one's how this one you want to get down and play with, isn't he? He's a smart one, that one.
Oh, you're saying hello.
Jesus, seriously.
It's like the birds. It's so colourful.
Soon.
Oh, there's one on me. There's one on me.
Oh, there is one on you. Oh my goodness. Hey Lucas, look. Lucas, look at the bird on cam.
You need to put it up a bit.
Oh, stand up, stand up.
No, tilt it up a bit.
Be careful, Lucas. Be careful of the birdies.
Oh, he's looking at himself in the camera.
Oh, jeez.
Don't scratch the legs. No, he was seriously looking at himself in the camera, like in the silver part.
That's amazing. Give her some food.
Just get some in your hand and hold it out to the...
See?
Put
Yeah.
some in your hand.
Keeps looking at the shiny silver part.
Yeah.
Give us a smile, Kim. Oh no. Go on.
Where do I put it on the other side? Put it in your other hand. Other hand.
Everybody's with a squiggling.
No. I'm not going to use it.
We're speaking their language. But yeah, we understand.
Squealing their language. Lucas, are the birdies nice? Are they nice birdies?
No.
They're not nice. What happened? What happened?
Oh,
Show me. Come here. I can see your finger.
Oh, should we kiss it better?
I don't think, Lucas, I don't think it was the birdie. I think it was the wire.
Oh yeah.
Come here. I think it was the wire. Yeah, that was